It's Zeke here, let's go. I'm doing legs today. It's gonna be some lunges, some single leg press, some new stuff that I've not done before. So I'm gonna experiment with some new stuff. But it's leg day, I'm excited. I got my pre-workout ready, got my music ready. I'm gonna make my fin here, so it's gonna be dope. Let's go. Yeah, we just finished legs. It was really good. If you notice when I was doing the lunges, the one thing I would just correct you guys from is if you're doing lunges, want to make sure you're doing it with a weight you're comfortable with, because lunges are very knee dominant, so you don't want to do too heavy weight, because that way you can, tear meniscus or something. So you want to make sure you do something light and easy. And if you also notice that when I was doing the backward lunges, I was doing no weight at all. So make sure you take note of those two things. Do what you can do, and when you're doing backward lunges, do as light as possible. And for the leg press, that's a really fun exercise. You can do it at least half of what you normally can press for both legs, so that way you can make sure you really straighten one leg at a time. All right, that's it. Let's go to the next session.